Hello everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike and the infamous Lola right there who is going crazy today. She's driving me crazy actually. It is a big day here because we are hopefully going to get that crazy little car, the Bimmer, started because we got a box.
Lifting our engine mounts to Jesus because you lift me up.
Yep, that's my best view right there. That just sums up this whole little project right here. Okay, so this is it. This is the '08 Copart 135 BMW that was supposed to be a nice, super easy fix. And this has given me nothing but trouble. Truthful Tom and I have been fighting this thing for weeks and weeks and weeks. All right, today though, we're going to install coils. Why does my car need coils? Well, not only did the previous owner take both front calipers and slice both front brake lines, they took the coils out. Every single coil is missing from that car. So when I kept trying to start it, and I kept trying to start it, and I kept trying to start it, it would never start. This is the reason why, okay? Don't hate, these are not Bosch. These are Bosch. No, I don't know what they are. They're from China. I hate to say that, but they were able to get here during the overnight hours. So I got these super quick, and they're going to be on the car for a super short amount of time while I find some correct fuel injectors. But what we're going to do is put them in the car and give the car a start. We hope. We really hope. Okay? So let's see how this is going to happen. Hopefully this is going to go super easy. I have 6 of these. They go in these 6 little holes right here. I don't even think there's a little bolt that holds them on. I think they literally just kind of slip inside. Okay, we have the connector. It's shaped like a triangle. We have the connectee. It's shaped like a triangle. And you simply insert them, fold the little flap down, and they should be locked into place. Let's see how this goes. See? Look at that. Okay, so that's one. That's difficult. That was really probably... No, I'm kidding. Okay, let's see. Hopefully, they just kind of sit right there. Look at that. Okay, 1, 2. Let's see how this goes. Look at how easy. You're gonna work just perfectly, right? I know you want to come back to life, because you don't want to go to the junkyard and be dismantled, right? You don't want that. Okay, so we have two, count them, 2 installed. We'll do this, 1, 2, 3. There's another one way back in there. Okay, we're gonna get all 6 of these all buttoned up. Then we're gonna say a prayer, okay? Hold on, when we come back, the car is gonna run. In true Chinese fashion, 5 fit well, 1 did not, okay? Yeah, so what is that? 80% correct? Okay. This one had a little bitty piece of plastic goo that was right there that would prevent the little cap from going on. So I had to take a little screwdriver and hammer it down to fix it. Hopefully this one now fit. So hopefully this one is good and I can get this car started. Let's see if this is going to go in. There we go. Okay, so 80% China, thank you. Yeah, appreciate that. Okay. With that, we should be good to go. We cannot forget the power, so let's do our MacGyver trick, okay? This is what we're jumping. This is what we're jumping because this little outlet is bad, and so I just got it kind of shoved over here. I should probably try to screw that down a little bit. Of course, that's not going to fit. Of course. So if I turn it over, let's see if it'll fit. Kind of. Okay, there we go. Hey, look at that. Okay, we're going to leave that alone, and we're going to try to bring the beast to life. Let's see what happens. Okay, is she going to work? You guys have faith or nah? Let's see what's going to happen. I'm literally saying a prayer in my head as I'm talking to you. Okay, here we go. You ready? This is it. I cannot tell you how excited I am. Foot on the brake, even though the brakes don't work. Let's see what happens, all right? Hail Mary, free grace, nam go. Holy moly. Holy moly. There is life in this girl. There's life. Look. Looky, looky, looky. Oh, I don't like the way that's going in there. But look. She's alive. She's alive! She's alive! Okay. How do you check the oil in this? Haha. I should probably do that before I do anything else. All right, this is a big moment. This is huge. Okay. This is huge. Okay. We got all kinds of things going on here. DSC malfunction. Okay, we got all kinds of weird things going on here. Service engine soon and everything. But she is alive. Ta-da! All right, so we have another wheel to put on. Hopefully this one will fit and hold air, and then I gotta go put some air in the front tire. Then I get to go get a U-Haul, and finally this girl will be in her new house for a while, okay? For a little while. Let's just get these off really quick. I need my power tools. I keep forgetting I have them. Thanks to Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. I gotta remember that because I would be done already if I had them. Yeah, just like that. That comes off. Okay. Here we go. Off with the old. Yay. And I'll show you what's wrong with this in just a second. Okay. On with a new one that's too small, but it kind of fits. So hopefully this will turn. Yep, power tools would be nice. They would be so nice. We didn't even see if this moved forward or backward. I don't even know if the transmission's good. We're going to have to check that out. And I got to figure out how to check the oil. Mike is not that familiar with the 135. Mercedes, heck yeah, love them. This is kind of a new beast. So we're not going to get this super tight. We're just going to get this ready to go. And then see if she'll roll after we get some air in that front tire, the hillbilly tire. Okay. I'll tighten this up and we'll get it going, okay? Okay, I'm trying to check the oil level, but I have so many error messages. So basically, you hit this little button right here and you go up until you see the little oil thing. Here's the oil. You hit the side button and you enter it. And watch, it's supposed to go ahead and check itself, but watch, an error message shows up. See, it goes to that. So I don't really know how I can check the oil. See? Come on. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. It can go. I have to operate this with my parking brake. And we're moving. Oh, shit. What is that? Okay. See, that's that wheel. That's the fucking wheel. Okay, class, what have you accomplished today? Well, we have the wrong wheel on there. we have the correct wheel on here, but it is rubbing against the strut tower. So the wheel isn't moving. Can you see the trail? Look at this. Yeah, see the trail? All the way back. So for some reason, this wheel that came with the car is not fitting. Okay? One issue. We've also proved that you need coils to start an engine. Yeah, after weeks and weeks, we found that out. So we do have power. The car does start and run. This is an issue. Okay, see how that's tilted in? It's the wrong wheel, wrong strut, wrong everything. Yay me. So that's a problem. Okay. This is the only wheel that works. And look how beat up he is. Look how crappy that is. Yeah, not good at all. But if you can look past all four wheels, scratches on the bumper, dents on the quarter panel, fuel filter, fuel door doesn't open anymore, that dent, that horrible bumper, that headlight, that's a fender. Mike, that's a fender right there. The missing bumper and the beat up windshield. It's a beautiful car. Just a couple of things that we still have to fix. Okay, but all in all, we proved the engine is good. I got to get some oil because I don't trust it, because I don't know how to check it. You can't check it if there's other error messages. Thanks BMW for that. That's brilliant. No dipstick, so I'm just going to get some oil and put it in there. Maybe 2 quarts, maybe 3. We'll see what happens. Just to make sure the engine is lubricated. Okay, then we're going to take this somehow we got to get this wheel to turn so I can load this onto a U-Haul so I can get it to her new location. So we accomplished maybe 84.5% of what we set out to today, but that's okay. At least she runs and she drives. She looks a mess. She really looks a mess. But for how much was it? Cha-ching. Yeah, right there. For that amount of money, maybe she is worth bringing back. Maybe there is life in this old girl again. We're just going to have to see. All right, coming to you videotaped, not even videotaped, coming to you recorded from my favorite parking lot where I like to do all of my work, next to fancy cars like that right there. Cha-ching. Yeah, doctors live, or doctors work right in there. So anyway, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I don't even know if it's 10 minutes long. I don't even care if it's 10 minutes long, but we do know that she runs and she kind of drives and she goes straight. She doesn't turn very much. She doesn't roll very well, but she's coming back. All right. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please check out my Instagram, the gram. Yeah. Oh, I do want to tell you that I have a logo. Yes, Monkey Wrench Mike has a logo. You're going to see it on a hat sometime soon, so I got to support my Cowboys there. But we're going to get a hat, maybe even a jacket with the little Monkey Wrench Mike logo. It's really cute. I think you guys are going to like it. So thank you very much for watching. All right, everybody, have a good day. Bye.